What is going on, guys and gals? In this video I'm going to react to earn $38 per song just by listening to music. I found this YouTube video, and even though the title is misleading, I do believe this method could work. Alright, about the video you are watching right now, maybe you noticed that it has music and video footage. This is a video I made with an awesome tool that you can use yourself. I have left a link in the comment section if you'd like to check it out. Anyway, before I start, I want to make a short introduction. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm a Swedish online marketer. In 2019 I became a YouTube influencer, guiding and coaching people to start their own online business on a powerful platform that changed my life. You have everything you need to be successful on that platform. I will share more about how to get started at the end of the video, so stick to the end if you want to learn more about how I make money online. Anyway, I will now dive into the reaction video. Alright, earn $38 per song just by listening to music. The title is a little bit misleading. I figured that after watching the method, but we have a site called mixkit.co, and on Trustpilot I couldn't see any bad reviews. But you get royalty-free stock music that you can use in your videos. I watched another YouTuber that got copyright strikes after using music from Mixkit. So the reason could be that someone else uploaded copyrighted music to Mixkit and lied about that being copyrighted. So I suppose that is why this could happen. But anyway, you can download music and you search and select something you like. Then you go to uploadforever.com, where you can make profit from uploading files. And you make money when people download the files. So that means that you need to have a place where you share the music. And this guy recommended you to create a YouTube channel and then upload shorts. He also mentioned that you need an older YouTube channel if you want more views. So then some videos will take off, and I guess if people like the music then they download it. So on Trustpilot the complaints are that they don't get paid, unable to withdraw money, and this is a little bit strange because the sentence is the same. This is just a copied text. But this is interesting. This guy could withdraw money, and the service promote that the minimum payment was less. I think it means the payment limit. Maybe it says $5 and people can't withdraw money. Then when you reach $10, then you can withdraw your money. So in my opinion, this could work. I couldn't see a lot of red flags. Even if someone said it was a scam, I believe it's possible to follow this method, but I don't think you can get rich doing this. And this is so easy to automate, so you can be sure that there are already bots doing this. But you know what? What I do love about creating reaction videos is that I don't have to worry about making money online using these methods, because there are some of you that want to start a real online business, and this is what I recommend people to do at the end of the video. I mean, it takes a lot of time to test every method, and there will be a lot of things that will not work, and you will waste a lot of time doing it. What I do 100% do work for me, and it could work for you as well. Alright, so I have used my main solution since 2019, when I started my journey as an influencer. All I do in all my videos is recommending this solution to my audience. This is what we must do, otherwise people will not know that the solution exists. We simply inspire people to start an online business. The only people who decide to align with me on these things is because they see it as a solution to what they are looking for. I'm explaining this from the standpoint of a marketer, and if you can imagine yourself promoting something, you'll see why it makes sense. I realized I needed to understand how to think like a business person. And because I took someone's advice, I did detailed research on the opportunity. I realized it was exactly what I was looking for. I invested in myself and got access to all the training that I needed. Since then, everything has changed for me. And what I'm doing right now is working for me. I'll put a link in the description if you want to look into it. Decide to make an investment in yourself and take appropriate action that you will later thank yourself for. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to it and click the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload another video. Stay awesome, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.